Hi everybody, I'm Soraya. Welcome to my art channel. I'm so glad you're here with me today. So I'm going to be showing you how I created this beautiful piece of art. It is an abstract and I used a balloon to create these gorgeous smashes or kisses if you prefer. I love the way that it looks like that. It's a little bit kind of like underwater. Really beautiful to me, and that bit of white there just to kind of offset the purples and greens and blues. So love this painting. Keep watching to see exactly how I did it. So today I'm using a 20-inch by 40-inch gallery wrapped canvas. I always love working with blues, but today I thought that I would use some purple just to jazz things up a bit. I love the addition of this green against the purples and blues. It looks great. That was a little bit of silver and some white at the top. So I haven't sped up the video at this point. You can see that I'm really taking my time and blowing in the direction that I want the paint to go. And look at the gorgeous cells that it creates. Although this is a bit unusual for me as far as color, I do think that they work really well together and they created some beautiful patterns and color combinations. So you can see that this hairdryer is very well used and I love it. It is listed in my description area, so take a look there. Lots of information for you to check out. And if you haven't heard me say it before, I do keep my setting on a cool setting, no heat on paint. So even though I was kind of basically stretching out the paint with the hairdryer, decided to do it a little different by tilting it. It does make a different effect to it. I knew I wanted a very abstract look to the painting, and this is working out just perfectly. I sing next. When there's no getting over that rainbow, when my smallest of dreams won't come true, I can take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you. So if you haven't ever tried these balloon smashes or kisses, they are an easy way to get this kind of a bloom look to the painting. So you want to have some kind of either bubbles or even floral look to it. A balloon smash or kiss is the way to do it. It is simple and fun, so much fun to do. Okay, here it is from my side. It certainly is very colorful. And I went over and over these balloon smashes because the paint was very loose. And so they weren't popping through very well. But I love the overall look to this. It is colorful, but I love the negative space there to calm it down just a little bit. Look at the lacing here. Gorgeous. And then just different colors popping through here and there. I can't wait to see what it looks like dry. Look at all the cells in there. So hang in there 1 second, I'll be right back. After it dried, I decided I didn't need to do anything to it. I thought it looked great just the way it was. You can also find me on Instagram and Facebook. Just check out the description area for details.